Welcome. Today we are exploring the powerful topic of those who are in the over 40 club. I'm 56 and I fast every single year during January and February, but not just any kind of fasting. We're talking about the importance of gentle, intentional fasting that honors our body's unique needs as we age, particularly for women experiencing peri, mid, or post-menopause. Modern research increasingly supports the benefits of intermittent fasting when done correctly. Trials show that intermittent fasting helps regulate blood glucose, improve blood lipids, and reduce risks of coronary heart disease, certain cancers, and chronic inflammatory conditions. One reason for this is ketogenesis, when the body switches from burning glucose to burning fats, boosting metabolism and promoting healthy longevity as insulin decreases and human growth hormones increase. But for women over 40 like me, particularly peri, mid and post-menopause, we need to align this practice with the principles of Chinese medicine because used properly, fasting is an incredible tool for wellness, helping metabolism, mental clarity and energy. But done wrongly, it can be very detrimental for women over 40. Women over 40, especially during after menopause, it is essential to fast in a way that nurtures kidney energy. In Chinese medicine, the kidneys are considered the root of our vitality, storing our essence and playing a huge role in regulating hormones. When kidney energy is depleted, menopause symptoms can flare up. Think of symptoms like brain fog, sleep troubles, heart palpitations, and slow metabolism. To put this simply, Chinese medicine views kidney energy as a reservoir, and as we age, our reserves naturally decline, and menopause accelerates this process. So while fasting can be beneficial, overdoing it can tax and deplete the kidney energy. This is why fasting slowly and gently, especially with Chi Flow with Joe, is so important. Whole day fasting is likely to stress the body, and any stress produces adrenaline, which triggers the fight or flight mechanism, depleting kidney energy. In Chinese medicine, kidneys are our energy foundation. They support hormones, vitality, sleep, and intense fasting can stress this system, worsening menopause symptoms like sleep, brain fog, low energy. Instead, Chinese medicine encourages gentle fasting to protect kidney energy. It's much better to build up your fasting time gradually, preferably overnight. Plus, eating earlier in the day helps support the liver's detoxification overnight. One of the core tenets of Chinese medicine is eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, dinner like a pauper. So definitely intermittent fasting is not about skipping breakfast. You have to align it with the Chinese medicine meridian clock, where the digestive organs are most active in the morning. The stomach is from 7 a.m. until 9, followed by the spleen, which is 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. Eating your main calories earlier in the day helps optimize your energy and reduce inflammation. Likewise, Chinese medicine advises avoiding food for at least 4 hours before the liver time, which is at 11 p.m. And that means better overnight digestion. During the 11 to 3, the liver and gallbladder hours, they benefit from a restful state, free of the demands of digestion. These organs in Chinese medicine support hormone regulation and blood nourishment. They do not wanting to be digesting after 11, so avoid your supper and don't skip breakfast. Gentle fasting, for example, in Chi Flow with Joe, begins at 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., which is where we begin in January in 2025 with Chi Flow with Joe. It respects the cycle and keeps the body's system working harmoniously. Also in Chinese medicine, long fasts can drain spleen energy, and this causes symptoms like brain fog, weight gain, and fatigue. For women in menopause, fasting gently and consistently is more effective than skipping breakfast or not eating lunch and drinking coffee instead. These are things not to do when you're over 40 and you're fasting. So instead of skipping breakfast, go lighter on your dinner, and that is a great start to improving your menopause symptoms. Lose weight, think clearer, and sleep better. This aligns with the Chinese medicine principles and allow us to fast without weakening the stomach and spleen, which, if you remember, is 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. If this resonates with you, we'll be hosting a community challenge starting in January to make these lifestyle changes together, which will promote good health, good energy, restful sleep, reducing inflammation and pain. Gently fasting can be powerful when done thoughtfully. The Chi Flow with Joe intermittent fasting program can help you try gentle fasting at home while supporting your kidney energy, plus firing up your liver and your spleen for a smoother journey through menopause. You'll see the symptoms of a clogged liver as they can be weight around the belly whilst your arms and your legs stay really skinny. That would tell me in Chinese medicine that the liver is congested and it needs to rest. So no supper. So we begin not eating after 8 p.m. until 8 a.m. Could you do that? Then join us in January, where hundreds of us will start the program together. We find strength in the community to change our health, improve sleep, lose weight, and feel better by the end of February. Join us and tune in next time for more practices on creating health through mindful movement, Qigong exercise, acupressure, and food medicine. Any questions? Don't forget my other podcast, which is Ask Me Anything. And I'll see you in January for the intermittent fasting Chi Flow with Joe.